The election fever, of course, is at its peak and campaigning continues in southern and eastern India. That's where the focus is now. Let's bring up our rally roster for today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala. These states together are worth 96 seats. BJP President Amit Shah was in Odisha and Chhattisgarh. These states together contribute 32 seats. Congress President Rahul Gandhi spent his day in Tamil Nadu. 39 seats are for grabs in this state. The first phase of voting is over. The next round is on the 18th of April. It will cover 97 constituencies across 13 states. All major political parties are now focusing their energies in these regions. Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu were at the center of action today. Let's start with the Prime Minister's address. He conducted one rally in Maharashtra, the second biggest state after Uttar Pradesh in terms of the number of MPs it sends to the Lok Sabha. The BJP is the dominant player in Maharashtra. It wants to maintain that status.
अरे शरद राव, आपने तो देश के नाम पर कांग्रेस छोड़ दी थी, कांग्रेस को तोड़ दी थी। अब देश में दो प्रधानमंत्री होने की बात पर आप कब तक चुप रहोगे, कब तक चुप रहोगे?
The BJP is contesting in Maharashtra in alliance with the Shiv Sena. The campaign centered around the Congress. They want to target the Congress where it hurts the most, and that is the issue of corruption. The recent raids against individuals linked to Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath.
तुगलक रोड, ये दिल्ली के अंदर एक रोड है, उस पर एक बड़ा शानदार बंगला है, उसमें एक नेताजी रहते हैं और वहां कैसे कैसे खेल खेले गए उसका कच्चा चिट्ठा निकल करके बाहर आए। और क्या है, मध्य प्रदेश से बोरे बोरे भर करके रुपये वहां आए और जो पैसा गरीब बच्चों को कुपोषण से बचाने के लिए मध्य प्रदेश सरकार को भेजा गया था, वो पैसा लूटकर कांग्रेस चुनाव में लगा रही है।
The issue of corruption was the key focus in Tamil Nadu as well. Rahul Gandhi was there today. He remains consistent in bringing up the Rafale deal during speeches. He calls it a scam. Personalizing his pitch for Tamil Nadu, the Congress president said that the BJP works for the rich and they won't allow the state to be ruled from Nagpur. Nagpur, by the way, is the headquarters of the RSS.
Now, over the last 5 years, Mr. Narendra Modi has run a government for 15 people. You know the names: Anil Ambani, Mehul Choksi, Nirav Modi. These are all Mr. Narendra Modi's friends. And all the money that should have gone to the poor people of this country, that should have gone to the farmers of Tamil Nadu, should have gone to the youngsters of Tamil Nadu, has gone to these 15 people.
The BJP is fighting back today. A BJP MP, Meenakshi Lekhi, moved the Supreme Court. She wants Rahul Gandhi to be charged for criminal contempt. On Wednesday, the Apex Court had said that leaked documents on the Rafale deal are admissible in court. That had prompted the Congress president to call the Prime Minister a thief. The BJP also moved the Election Commission.
Congress Party's president, Shri Rahul Gandhi, is using abusive and also such strong statements which are totally untrue, calling the Honorable Prime Minister of this country repeatedly that he's a chore, and also putting words into the mouth of the Supreme Court. We have taken objection to this.